Jane Beale, in 1861, wrote a priceless Civil War diary covering the years 1861 to 63. She left detailed notes on the siege and Battle of Fredericksburg, which took place in December 1862. One of the first scenes in Gods and Generals is in the Beale's Fredericksburg home as her daughter Lucy plays a Beethoven piano sonata while her neighbors, Roberta and Catherine Corbin, sew a new national banner. In a later scene, Roberta Corbin and her 5-year-old daughter Jane will be present at their home at Moss Neck when the Confederate Army goes into winter camp near their property along the Rappahannock River in late December 1862.
We must not fear the final result of this war, but many a loved one will fall, and many a heart throb with anguish before we can breathe the exhilarating atmosphere of freedom and feel the sweet assurance of safety and peace once more. There's nothing in this life more dear to me than my children, except perhaps the memory of your wonderful father. When you go to Richmond, and wherever this war takes you, you must not fear for us. We will be with you wherever you go. Surely goodness and mercy have followed me all the days of my life. Now, be on your way. And God be with you.
If you enjoyed this scene, you can see the entire movie in either its theatrical version or in the extended director's cut, in DVD Blu-ray, or in instant streaming if you'd like to see it right now, at Amazon Prime.